I'm gonna choose Tulane.
And now you'll choose where. Here you'll choose to create a coach of your own. Now it's time to choose your coach archetype. Your starting choices are motivator, recruiter, and tactician. What is the most important thing to you? Acquiring players, maximizing player development, or putting your team in the best position to succeed?
I'm gonna make him a little silly. Yeah, it's good. No coach apparel.
Congratulations! It's time to sign your first coaching
5 years.
contract. Make sure to pay attention to the expectations of the role. These are based on real-life historical records of the school. Failing to meet the university's expectations will land you on the hot seat and potentially have you looking for a new job when the coaching...
So that's really what I want to get a beat on. 11-3 record. This episode will be mainly recruiting, so just gonna, I guess, recruit some people. Put a check mark on every single one. Yeah. This might take a bit. Oh, never mind. Let's see, is there any 5 stars that wanted me? No. Yeah. Okay then. Nobody's gotten an Insta recruit yet, which I'm surprised about. So I'm gonna reorder this from 3 and 2 stars. I don't think there's a singular 4-star. Actually, there's I think 3 or 4 at the top. So. Ooh. Hey, Hendricks, I think might be good. Oh, I'm on his top. On his 10. Toner. Why did I put him there? For what? I have to remove him because of deal breaker. I'm probably gonna get one of these 2 stars as an Insta recruit. Okay, now I need to offer everyone scholarships. Let's see if we get an Insta. I don't have many hours, so. Okay. To see. I just want to mainly get a bunch of recruits because this is going to be the rebuilding season. I put all the 2 stars in the wrong place. Move them down. Right. It's a good amount of 2 stars. Is there any other 2 stars? I don't think there. Oh yeah, there is. Steve Wilbur. Time to offer everyone else a scholarship. Plumber. Jay Coleman. That's everyone now. There's a few 2 stars. And I'm gonna scout a few people now. Jeremy Tryon is gonna be my 1. Okay. No, he's not a not gem, which is okay, so. Oh, he is, though. I'm gonna move him to the bottom of the list of 4 stars. After I finish. Kai, let's go. Let's go, Kai. Okay. Now I'm gonna move Kai up. Push down. Ooh, nice. Gideon. So that's 3 4-star gems. I will take this. If I can get one of these people, I will be happy. Okay. Tony Perfect is perfect. The perfect. Oh, let's go. Took a lot of hours. Yeah. Alright. I might continue this next week. Let's face it out. Custom schedules, yeah. Upgrade coaching skills, recruiting. Why does he retain like that, dude? Yeah, I'm gonna do that one. Probably should have done that before I did my hours, but you know. Alright, I'm gonna advance a week. Let's see. Okay, I haven't been locked out yet. I will take this. Kai. I'm near the bottom of the list for Kai, so I'm gonna send the house on my gems. I don't have a lot of hours, but I need to if I want them. And whenever their visit comes around, if I'm even enough for it. Yeah. Okay, so I accidentally just did that. So I'm gonna send the house instead. And then send the house on Kai. And then I'm gonna send the house on all my 5 stars because or 4 stars because I really need them. And to perfect. I'll send the house on a few 3 stars. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. I want to save some hours. Alright. I'm gonna advance to next week and maybe play the game. Okay. bunch of top 8. Just can't have anyone leave. Oh. Well, this should be easy, except it's not. John East. Okay, I'm in head for Tony. Perfect. Oh, I'm actually in head for all of my good ones, so that's good. Okay. So, we can play this game, I guess. Alrighty up. 82 overall for 66 overall.
Welcome to Yeoman Stadium in New Orleans, home to the Tulane Green Wave, and as this city likes to say,
possession. If I do somehow make the playoffs, then I will be playing that. Alright, let's see this. I'll do change of possession. Alright. And my ball. Is this on fast? Yeah. Alright. Touchdown. Easy. And the first quarter. Holding FCS. Pretty good. Kicking it off. Kick off. I'm up 14-3. So, I mean, I will take the score every day of the week. 17-3. If we can just score a bit more, would love that. Get some XP. 27-3. Alright, just knee it out. Yeah, I think we're... Yeah. Alright. Well, that's it.
they get a big win here and start the season on a positive note.
You gotta love that as the players. You come out, you have so much anticipation coming into the season, finally getting ready to play in front of a live audience. You're able to come out and execute and get this win under your belt. David, couldn't be a better way to start the year.
And for the losing team, obviously, it's a little bit different. You have something to look at now, to analyze where do I need to get a little bit better, but plenty of time still left in the season to improve.
Ooh, I leveled up. That's good. Alright. Well, next time I will see you guys in week 2.